takes Renata Batteries 394, Switzerland, Swiss made. It's silver oxide or something like that, 1.55 volts. 1.55 versus 1.5. These are very difficult to find, Renata batteries, and Varta also makes some batteries 394 size. Also those are difficult to find. I don't know why. The thickness I think is the same like this one here, but the width, it's more wide, this one. Always a problem with these Renata batteries, can't get the right size. So to open the watch I have these tools. This is a watch opener. I tried it with the screwdriver and it got really bad. I scratched it. And then I took it to a shop, to a jeweler shop, and the guy here, see, is trying to clean the watch a little bit. Yeah, just get a paper clip. Take the paper clip like this. The belt has these small holes, here one and here on the base. I just press it in and then it should come out. It's like a telescopic arm. Just press it in. That was easy. See, it needs to be changed actually. Maybe a new belt, but I like this belt, so it's a bit hard. And some writings here, genuine leather, sapphire crystal, weather resistant. Well, after you open it, if you open it and change it yourself and you don't grease the gasket of it, it will not be very water resistant, but okay. 100 meters, I wouldn't try that. It looks very prestigious. It's not digital, not smartwatch. It's an old style watch. It will work even, actually if it doesn't have a battery it doesn't work. There is like a hole, a bit of the seat. It's all flush. Normally it would be on the side here. There is more space. Like you can put your fingernail under it. The wide opening tool, this is the best. I used this one before. It has the protection for this thing. It's very thin here. It's very nicely made, this one. And I saw in the actual watch shop they used exactly the same tool to open. I saw how they were opening it and I went online and I bought the set. Let's open it and see. This has a bit of a, like this is flat here and this is below, and I think I should put the flat part above. To be careful with this telescopic arm here not to damage it. I press on it. Oh yeah, perfect. Okay, now I use this one to lift it. Hopefully I didn't damage the gasket inside. Oh, this is the waterproof gasket. Doing a quick inspection. I should be replacing this, but I'm not going to go diving with it. This is the watch here. Okay, I zoomed in a little bit and this is the watch here. It's really interesting. You can see some, I think these are my fingerprints there, but this area here, no touching here. Yeah, don't touch this red zone here. Don't open anything here. You should not be opening stuff on this side also, especially. Only thing that your interest is this thing here. I'm thinking maybe I can put this one. The battery I have is not fitting there, it's too small. It shows Swiss made, 27 joules. These are my fingerprints probably around here, but I'm not sure. 27 joules, I don't know what that's supposed to mean, but yeah. Tiny screws, 1 and 2. Yeah, the gasket I think it's fine, the gasket is okay. And now removing the screws. Something wrong with this screwdriver. Okay, so now this part is out. I could just take it out. See, Renata 394. The same paper clip. Oops. It's free. They really are the same height. Only the diameter, it's this one is smaller, like this. So it goes here. This is LR41. Yep. I didn't need to buy the fancy. Okay. 394. The 384 works fine. AG3. I'm glad that that's out of the way. Tightening the screws back as they were. I could put a piece of plastic here on the edge. It looks okay to me. And I put it towards the same. You just have to do it like a one quick push, like this. Yep. Perfect. Yep. The screwdriver did it. So make sure it's fully out here and fully out here. Wiggle it a little bit. I think I like it. It's a nice watch. Like that. It's a bit difficult, this thing, so goes like this. First step goes this is here, and then the next here, and that's all. Have to set the time. Okay.